We're gonna see multiple screen doors. This is number 3 here that we're seeing. Now, something that's happened is at some point, the decision was made to not use the upstairs. And so then what they did was they installed the furnaces in the middle of rooms, which we'll be taking out. And this goes to the outside. What's interesting is this is one of those places where you had one of those, it appears, all framed in for the glass windows that we're seeing other places. So maybe they had skylights at one time.